So on the next page, I have suggested powers that I highly recommend placing in there. I always place in mine. Deciding on major or minor surgery, dialysis, chemotherapy, invasive and simple diagnostic tests. You'll see simple down below. Administration of transfusions of blood products, administering or withholding antibiotics, very important power. We would withhold antibiotics to allow pneumonia to develop. And pneumonia allows the lungs to fill with carbon dioxide, which is a relatively peaceful way to pass. People just go to sleep. We allow the administration of pain medications, and I put aggressively there. So I like to say I want pain medications whether or not it dulls my consciousness, whether it may indirectly shorten my life. I want attentive and aggressive efforts to manage my pain. Palliative care. We allow decision on medication, obtaining records and reports protected by HIPAA, written or oral, which is very important because most HIPAA authorizations still only allow the doctor to give a written report. This allows the doctor to come right up to you, say what's going on. You can talk with the doctor and make decisions on the fly. And the last one is what I was talking about, removing from the hospital to the home or to a hospice. So those are powers you're not going to find on every healthcare proxy you find in the doctor's office with all the blanks on it. Powers you will definitely not find in any doctor's office in town are powers that I add for gay couples who need special language. So my language gives the partner primacy over blood relatives or other legal representatives who have priority. So when you're in the hospital, your blood relatives always have priority. And you've always heard, oh, the family came in and they limited partner from contact. I put in special language in there saying, no, I want my partner to be number one, and my partner will limit contact by third party and relatives. They are my agent, and they're the one I want making decisions for me. Now, I get a lot of questions all the time, but didn't Obama fix all this? Well, sort of. He gave an executive order which was embodied by new federal rules, but this doesn't allow decision making. It only allows visitation. So it also only applies to hospitals receiving Medicaid or Medicare funding. So it doesn't solve all the problems. It just allows the partner to be there. Well, first off, and this hasn't been settled by law or litigation, how do you prove you're their partner? We don't know. We don't have any guidelines saying that. The hospital can say, no, you're not. Get lost. Where's the family member? So you still need a power of attorney or a healthcare proxy, and you still need powers granting you priority over blood relatives. And it's the sad reality of today. You have bias and bigotry in the hospitals by the staff, and you need to stand up for your rights, and these documents assist. And I've actually had to call hospitals and say, look, we drafted this document. You're going to honor this document, or you're going to have a lawsuit, at which point their counsel tells them, honor the document. You know, we don't want to. Yes. In Rochester. It depends on who's the staff. It really does. You don't know who's going to be working that day. Rochester General.